Hello student, last video we have start a new lesson class 12 subject geography, population, composition, comparison. We are talking to the mean of the population composition. Today we are start a new topic, age of structure. Age of structure. The mean of age of structure is the ratio of population of people of different age group. It means the age structure refer to the ratio of population, यानी कि रेशो का मतलब जो अनुपात होता है, रेशो ऑफ पॉपुलेशन ऑफ पीपल ऑफ डिफरेंट एज ग्रुप का जो रेशो है, अनुपात है, उसे हम एज स्ट्रक्चर कहते हैं. इन इंडिया the three types of age groups are divided. First, child age group, second, adult age group, and third is old age group. So the Indian age structure are divided to three age group. First, child age group. Child age group. In this group, the age of this group is 0 to 0 means birth to 14 years. It means child group are age to birth to 14 years. Second, adult group. Adult group in age to 15 to 59 years. 15 to 59 years. And old age group is age is 60 plus. 60 plus. The structure of age India in this format. In divided, the Sensex of 2011 to, according to Sensex of 2011, the child age group is the total population of India is 29.5%. 29.5%, and adult age group is, according to Sensex of 2011, is 62.5%, and last is old age group, according to Sensex 2011, 8%. We are seeing is the diagram. Total population of India, divided into three age group: child, adult, and old. So child is 29% and 8% else. 8% is old and 29.5% is child and 62.5% is adult. So the graphics of the age structure of the India. Age structure of India. In child age group is 29.5% and the adult age group is 62.5% and the oldest age group is 8%. The child age group and the old age group depended on the adult group. Depended on the adult group. It means, example, a family, the total member of the family is 7, 2 is total 3 is child age group, 2 is adult, and 2 is old group. So the adult group, only the adult group are gaining the income, and child and old group are depending to this group. So the Indian condition, Indian economics, the child and old group total total around is 29.5 plus 8 is equal to 5.73, 37.5%, and the adult group is 62%. So the Indian age group is favorable to the economic conditions, because the child age group and old age group depended to the adult age group. In this and any country, the adult age group is high, so this economic has developed, and the child and old age group is high, so the economics of undeveloped. The Indian economics is developed because the age group of the India in favorable condition of economic, the adult age group is high. So today we are discuss about age structure, the ratio of population of public people of different age group in India divided into three groups: child age group, adult age group, and old age group. Child age group 0 to 14 years, adult 15 to 59 years, and old is about 60 years. The census of 2011, the child group is 29.5% and adult group is 62.5% and old age group is 8%. So today we are discuss age structure. Next video we are discuss another point related to chapter number 14. Thank you.